So we've just set you up with a homeowners or renters or landlord insurance policy with American Strategic. And now we need to go through and complete the e-signature process. So you should be getting an email to your email box from American Strategic directly. It's going to be titled no reply at American Strategic. Definitely check your junk mail box if you don't see it. But even if you didn't get that, as I know a couple of clients of ours, and I actually experienced it just the same, didn't get the e-signature email, you can still go directly to their website at americanstrategic.com or clicking this link here, which is listed as my.asipolicy.com. So I'm going to click this, and then we're going to have to go through the process of setting up an account with them, a username and password. And you'll see new user ? Register here. So that is where I'm going to click to register my policy and click on that. And clicking on that, it asks you to create a username. In this case, I'm just going to go with my full name. I'm going to put in my email address. Obviously here, I've got a lengthier one, but keep in mind, this email address is where they're going to send any kind of correspondence to you. And then you're going to set up a password. Go ahead and set it up and confirm it. Make sure the two match. I'm going to hit save profile. Of course, it then tells me that I've got to put my policy number in. And your policy number is in that email as well. So you can simply just copy it from here and paste it into that email or into that login screen. Then again, it's going to confirm. It's going to ask you to confirm your last name. And of course, here in this case, it's going to ask me for my date of birth. I'll hit save profile. And it's been created. So then I'm going to click continue. And then I'm going to go back. I'm going to log into my account. And so I come to this where I verified my password again. And I'm going to click sign now, so I can complete the e-signature process. So notice it directly put me in there. Here, step number 1, review your application. You can click here to review the application, and it will actually throw up a PDF copy of it. Clicking there does not start that e-signature process. It allows you simply just to go through and read the application that you're going to be signing. So you've got a copy. You've got the ability to download it there as well. But you do want to go back to the original web page and then acknowledge everything. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your initials in. The initials are going to acknowledge that losses from flood are not covered by this policy and that there is a limited liability for recreational vehicles. And you can definitely ask us about that. But here what they're talking about typically is going to be motorcycles or more so dirt bikes, ATVs, things like that. So then you put your initials in. You're going to type in your full name after reading the acknowledgement. And then you're going to say sign now. It then tells you, thank you, you have successfully electronically signed your policy documents. And then you can go back to snapshot and actually take a look at the information in your account. That will do it.